Hello and assalamu alaikum. So I have bought something special this time. So it is called Luminous effect. So let's get started and see how to add luminous effects on your pictures. So first of all, you have to draw something on a paper and take a picture of it. Then open that picture on Ibis Paint X with the airbrush of 40%. You will take the brightest color, like I have taken the blue. You can take green, pink, whatever you want. So you can add this effect wherever you want. Some people add it a very little, and like I have done a lot, but some people add this a very little. So this is how you add luminous effect on the picture, on the sketch. So just watch it carefully, and after this video, in the end I will tell you an application which will be very helpful for you. So I have been thinking for a long time that I'll be giving you recommending you some apps I discover on the Play Store. So watch it carefully. And now I have almost done my first character. Now it's time for the second character, and the most difficult part was choosing the color for the character. So I chose a green color for it, and I recorded the full tutorial for this, but somehow I deleted it, and it was the whole edited video, but I lost it. So this is just something I have to show you. So I have made a tutorial with another drawing, so I'll show you in the end. If you wanna know how to do it, like get a full tutorial of it, so this is how I do luminous effect, and it looks very cool. It's totally up to you. Wherever you want to add the effect, you can add on the hair as well, and wherever you want. So it already looks really nice. It's now completed. Now I'm gonna show you the other tutorial for this, and this is the picture. So first of all, the first step is to filter and brightness. You should have to lower the brightness so the luminous effect will look more bright and good. So I'm taking again the blue color. So first of all I will try on some areas and see if it looks good. No, it's not. So just let me add on this part or the full eye. She looks good but not really good, so I'm just adding on the reflection. So now watch me edit. I'm not really satisfied with this luminous effect on her, so I'm putting a glowing effect somewhere to show the glowing effect on her face. So this is the final result. I hope you like it. So now it's time for the application. So this is the application tools for WhatsApp. Same icon you have to download and allow permissions, so it will be a tool for WhatsApp. It works like it blocks your incoming calls from WhatsApp. If you wanna stay online, you can stay online, but if you wanna avoid calls, it will auto reject your WhatsApp calls. So this is really helpful. So अगर आपको इनकमिंग कॉल्स अवॉइड करनी है, ऑटो रिजेक्ट करनी है, या आप चाहते हैं कि आपको कोई कॉल करे तो आपको रिसीव ना हो, तो वो जो है आप ये वाली एप्लीकेशन यूज़ करिए और इस तरह आप कर पाएंगे अपना काम इजीली और आप ऑनलाइन भी रह पाएंगे। तो आई होप आपको ये एप्लीकेशन पसंद आई होगी। इस इनकमिंग वॉइस कॉल को आपने ऑन करके रखना है, और जब आपने सर्विस को यूज़ नहीं करना, कॉल अलाउ करनी है, तो आपने इस सर्विस को क्लोज़ कर देना है ऊपर से। तो ऐसे ही हो जाएगी। आप अपना ख्याल रखिएगा। ओके, अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।